Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop Fathom AI from recording your Google Meets. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you started using Fathom AI and you actually installed the plugin, but you realize that it starts to actually record every single Google meeting. How do you go ahead about stopping that? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Fathom, then click on Settings, and then go ahead and scroll down. And you can see here that there's an auto record on scheduled Google Meetings. You want to go ahead and turn this off. So toggle that off, and that is going to actually stop recording your Google Meets meetings automatically. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and stop Fathom AI from automatically recording your Google Meets. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.